Shalom YouTube, this is your Ark. Y'all is Magnified coming back with another video. This video is titled A Agency Can Make a Claim. Okay guys, so with that being said, let's get to it. Okay, you have people on here believing that simply because a state doesn't have a mouth, arms or legs, and it only exists on paper, that state cannot file a claim or even make a claim, which is far from the truth. Your legal fiction person, your straw man, don't exist. It only exists on paper. It doesn't have a mouth, arms, and legs. But you must stand up and represent that straw man or that legal fiction person or that estate, which gives him the mouth, arms, legs. You see? So that's the same thing that goes with the agency. They have agents which stands up for the agency to file the claims that becomes the mouth, arms, and the legs. That's no different than you doing that for your legal fiction straw man. So when child support agency take you to court, they take you to court for what? Because they claiming that you owe the debt. You see? So, and if they wasn't claiming you owe the debt, it would get thrown out. So, like I told you guys, any complaint must have a claim stated in it. But a claim doesn't have to have a complaint in it. You see? You can file a claim, or you can simply file a complaint with a claim in it. But you just can't be complaining. You know, when you file a complaint, your complaint must state a claim upon which relief can be granted. So if child support is not filing a claim, then they wouldn't have a chance to stand in court against you because they're not stating a claim upon which relief can be granted. So obviously their claim is what? That you owe the debt. And the relief to be granted is a judgment against you to force you to pay the debt. Plain and simple, man. You know? So don't let nobody tell you nothing different. And I'm going to show you that an agency can make a claim. Now let's go. We had 31 USC subsection 3716. Administrative offset. Let's go. A. After trying to collect the claim from a person. Look at that word again, person. So let's read it again. A. After trying to collect the claim from a legal fiction, a straw man, and a state, a legal person, under section 3711A of this title, the head of an executive, judicial, or legislative agency may collect the claim by administrative offset. The head of the agency may collect by administrative offset only after giving the debtor written notice of the type and amount of the claim, the intentions of the head of the agency to collect the claim by administrative offset, and an explanation of the rights of the debtor under this section. Let's go to 2. An opportunity to inspect and copy the records of the agencies related to the claim. 3. An opportunity for a review within the agency of the decision of the agency related to the claim. And 4. An opportunity to make a written agreement with the head of the agency to repay the amount of the claim. So again, guys, so for anyone to tell you that an agency can't file a claim, that's false, man. That's false. See, what they can't do is file a claim against a living man. But what they can do is file a claim against your fictitious entity. See, paper must be with paper. But paper cannot join itself to flesh unless flesh choose to join itself to the paper, making himself the straw man. You see, which he gives joinder to. So now let's go to more proof that I'm going to show you that the child support agency sent me a claim. So let's get to it. Okay guys, as you guys can see, this is from the Division of Virginia Child Support Enforcement Agency, right? Look at the date, October 28th, 2016. So this was last year when I was going through it, last year. But as you can see on the right hand corner, at the lower corner, with circled in red, it says past due amount what? Claimed. So if somebody try to tell you that an agency can't make a claim or file a claim, then yeah, Let me know how that feel when you get from behind them bars. You hear me? Because when you get in there, you better be ready. You better be on your P's and Q's, or they will hang you. And that's for a fact. That's what I know. You know, I see that being done all the time. I see people going through it all the time. So, again, anybody who's stating that an agency can't make a claim, then please provide proof that you went into court and you told the agency, because they don't have a mouth or arms or legs to speak, that they can't file a claim. I'm dying to hear it. I'm dying to see it. So with that being said, y'all continue to fight, study, read. You know, just don't take my word for it. Study for yourself, read. And then you guys will see everything I've been telling you is straight facts and straight truth. You hear me? That's how I got off. Because I studied, I read. You know? I'm not going to sit here and let somebody tell me one thing and, you know, and I fell for it. I fell for that one time. And that's when I bought dude services. But after that, nah, never again. Fool me once, that's it. I ain't going to be fooled again. So I did my own thing. I'm tightening it up. So, and I'm just giving y'all the path that I took. So, I know for a fact agencies file claim. And this is more proof. So, with that being said, guys. Oh, yeah, matter of fact, this is the same amount they said I owed on the show cause rule, right? So, they claim I owe $6,423 on my show cause rule, right? The same documents I showed y'all when I went to court. So, if they claim it on this document, this is the document they put in the court to collect on that what? Claim. So like I said, they must state a claim upon which relief can be granted. So y'all be blessed. Continue to fight. Shalom, YouTube.